Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 BMW F900XR. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 BMW F900XR with 11,527 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, TPMS, a keyless ignition, and a quick shifter. We have replaced the front tire. Powered by an 895cc parallel twin engine, the F900XR puts 105 horsepower and 69 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.1-gallon fuel capacity, the F900XR has a 170-mile range. It has a 32.7-inch seat height and a 476-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine, scratches on both handguards, and scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, 1 key, and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, service, and a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.